Today in this video I am going to show you how to create Windows 11 bootable USB drive. To create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive, you'll need a flash drive that is at least 8 GB. In size, however, a larger flash might be a better choice in case anything goes wrong. Downloading Windows 11 ISO file from third-party sources can pose a security risk, so we strongly advise you against that, for your safety. Unfortunately, we don't have an official Windows 11 ISO available for download, but Microsoft promised a public preview in July 2021. Lastly, you need to check official Windows 11 requirements and make sure that your PC can handle Windows 11. Now that you have everything ready, you just need the proper software to create a bootable drive. Thus, if you have already grabbed the ISO file of Windows 11, then here are the simple steps to follow to create a bootable pen drive of it. Secondly, we require a portable tool called Rufus, a bootable USB maker. Go to its official website and download it. Double-click on the executable file of the Rufus to run it on your existing Windows 10.8.7 system. Now, from the device drop-down, select the USB drive that you want to bootable. Make sure that the correct device is selected. This is especially important if you have multiple USB storage devices connected to the PC. Make sure that boot selection is set to disk or ISO image. Now click the Select button. Select the Windows 11 bootable ISO file. Set image option to standard Windows installation. Now select your partition scheme. Use the GPT partition if you're using UEFI or MBR. If you're using BIOS, type the volume label Windows 11. After doing that, click on Start. A warning window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to format your flash drive. Select OK. Wait for a few minutes. Once the process is completed, click on the Close button. Safely eject the pen drive. Once the process is finished, your Windows 11 bootable USB drive will be ready to use. Creating a Windows 11 bootable drive is simple, and currently this is the only way to achieve your goal. After that, connect to a PC or laptop where you want to install Windows 11, start and restart it. From the boot menu, select the USB drive to boot the system with it and start the installation process. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.